We need more power. So while doing some research online, and I stumbled across a video on YouTube, there's a guy in Quebec who can, if you send him your ECM from these things, can put a tune in it. It ups the rev limiter, gives it more power, more torque. And that is the only type of tuning slash power adder tuner slash power adder that I've found for these little 70s. And they're very specific, 2020 to 2022. These 70 EFIs is what he can tune. Kieran's busy trying to get the ECM off the front of Jay's quad. And we're gonna send that thing in for a custom tune. Maybe I'm a dummy for sending my brand new ECM on this quad to a complete stranger for tuning, but gotta risk it for the biscuit, right?
Now what else do we have to disconnect?
Now you just very carefully pull this over. Just wiggle this plug. You don't want to bend those pins or anything in there. There.
Everything looks perfectly straight in here?
Yep. Now we need to find a granola bar box, a little bit of bubble wrap, and we mail this away to him. And in about a week he'll send it back to us with more horsepower.
So what's it at right now?
You made my quad faster by fixing the ACM.
The ECM. Look what we got back in the mail today. Took exactly a week. Free keychain and some stickers, but these are mine.
No, those are mine.
No, they're mine. I paid for it.
But they're still mine.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna get this bolted back on and we're gonna see if this thing runs and if it runs faster and what happened, because I was a little nervous about just mailing this thing out to somebody I've never heard of before, but we'll let you know right away, right? So I'll show you a little video here. You can hear these things hit the rev limiter pretty soon, pretty easily. Watch out.
That thing goes way faster.
Yay, where's your helmet?
Up there. Where is Trevor?
Try it. Go right through here. Ready? Pin it. Does it feel faster?
It feels way faster.
Does it feel like you have nitrous?
Yes.
Okay, pin it. Let's see how fast you take off now. Definitely hear that thing revs louder. Okay, just wait. So from the factory, this machine was governed to 15 miles an hour or about 24 kilometers an hour. So now with the new ECM in, we're gonna do a test run of Jay here by himself and see how fast this machine goes. Okay, let's check the data. Top speed 31 kilometers an hour. Driveway. Ready, pin it. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, slow down. So, all in all, from 24 kilometers an hour up to 31 kilometers an hour. Was it worth a $400 tune? I don't know. We'll find out next race, I guess. But I think the upping the RPMs will make the biggest difference for the racing. I'll leave a link in the description below. Out of Quebec. Apparently he's the only guy who can tune these little machines. But I think next we're gonna take this cover off and try tinkering with that clutch a bit and get it to rev up a little faster. The takeoff's still a little bit slow. Stay tuned for the next race.